see the mechanism of heredity, how genes are transferred from one generation to the another. How does the mechanism of heredity work? Suppose there is a plant and the leaves of plant are made up of cell, even the whole plant is made up of cell. Inside the cell there is a nucleus, and inside the nucleus there is a chromosome. Inside the chromosome we have the DNA, the deoxyribonucleic acid, and a part of this DNA is called as gene. This gene codes for a protein or an enzyme, and this enzyme will make the particular character of the plant. This protein enzyme will decide the particular character of the plant. Let's understand the mechanism of heredity with an example. The cell, the nucleus, the chromosome, the DNA, the genes, and this gene codes for an enzyme which is responsible for the tallness in the plant. So, this enzyme will produce a hormone which will trigger the plant growth and results in the tallness in the plant. Now imagine, if the gene has a little alteration, if the gene of the plant got damaged, and if it gets damaged, what will happen? It will make the enzyme, but in lesser quantity, and hence it will produce lesser hormones, which will result the plant to be shorter. So in this way the mechanism of the heredity work. But how do offspring inherit single set of genes from mother and father when the genes are always present in pairs in a single DNA? Let's understand inheritance with an illustration. If a dihybrid cross is made between a round seed with yellow color and a wrinkled seed with the green color, the parents will be capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Let's suppose the genes of dominant round shape, capital R, is shown with dark red, and suppose the genes of dominant color, Y, is shown with dark blue. It will be crossed with the recessive partner, which is small r, small y, small y. Just suppose the small r is shown with light red and small y is shown with light blue. Let's see the formation of the gametes from the parental genes. You can see the formation of gamete, capital R, capital Y. Again capital R, capital Y, small y, and small r, small y. So these are the gametes. The F1 progeny shows the presence of both dominant and the recessive genes from the parent. And when these cells will come together, when these chromosomes will come together, they make capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, small y, again capital R, capital Y, small y. So we can see the appearance of all of them will be round and yellow. The F1 progeny shows the presence of both dominant and the recessive genes from the parent. But the phenotype of all the F1 offspring is same, is identical, which is round and yellow. We will see how these chromosomes travel from the parent to the offspring in the next modules.